Hi team, greetings everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the difference between individual project level and all project level. So in the previous session, we saw how to create a simple project and we discussed the overview of individual project level and all project level. So in this session, we are going to discuss about in detail the difference between individual project level and all project level. So as of now, I'm accessing the FireFlink platform with the help of this URL fireflink.com. So since we have already done the registration process and we have already used the platform, let me navigate into the platform. So usually what we used to do, we used to click on this sign in button, which will navigate us to the platform sign in page. So if you can see, the URL is changed to app.fireflink. Previously it was fireflink.com. So if you want to directly access the platform to the sign in page, you can directly give it as app.fireflink instead of giving as fireflink.com. So let me enter my username and password which I have registered, and let me just click on sign in. Now let me just enter my password and let me just click on sign in. So if you can see, we have in the previous session, we have already created a simple project called a Shopper Stack, which is a e-commerce application. And here, as of now, whenever we log in as a user into the FireFlink platform, we always land in the all project level and in project section. So how do I say this is all project level? Because in the left hand navigation below the FireFlink logo, we have this all project. So this all project indicates that we are in all project level. So why do we need all project level and why do we need this individual project level? Let us discuss that in detail. So if you can see, we have all projects. So all projects acts as a common area to configure all the projects. So here in using this all project level, we can create multiple projects. So we can create multiple projects. And when I say all project level, we can navigate to individual project level. So using all project level, we can navigate to any of the individual project that we need, that we require. So say for example, we have multiple projects like we have, as of now, we have Shopper Stack, and in future, let me say, like I am creating multiple projects of different platforms. Say for example, Amazon and Sony. So multiple projects I'm creating. In order to navigate to different projects, I'll be using this all project level to navigate to different project, means individual project. And say for example, for all the projects, I want to give one common configuration or one common settings. In that case, I can use this all project level where I can configure the settings for all the projects under the license. So here I'm going to use this all project level to configure or to give the configuration for all individual projects. So this particular all project level acts as a common area where we can create multiple projects and where we can navigate to individual projects, and it gives us an option to configure the settings for all the projects under the license. And it also gives the overview of all individual projects under the license. So this is why we need all project level. So when I say individual project level, why do we need this individual project level? So here, if you can see, this is the all project level. As we discussed, it is indicated with the help of this all projects. If I want to navigate to individual project level, what I have to do, I can just click on the name of the project, which will navigate me to the individual project, or else I can use the drop down. So here in the left hand navigation below the FireFlink logo, we have this drop down. So once I click on it, I'll be having both the options, either to navigate to all project level or either to navigate to the individual project level. So since I'm already in the individual project level, let me navigate to all project level by clicking on this all project section. So once I navigate to all project section, it is navigating me to the all projects. If I want to navigate to individual project level, then I have to do the same. Just click on the drop down and click on the individual project name. So which will again navigate me to the individual project. So why do we want this individual project level? So when I say individual project level, this helps us to keep the track of the particular individual project. And this is where we are going to do our testing activity related to that particular project. So when I say individual project level, if you can see, we have multiple left hand navigations like dashboard is there, project is there, repository, test data, test development, test execution, defects, analytics, and configuration. So all these individual project level sections helps us to configure the project, means we work on the project, and by default we are landing in the test development section. Why test development section? So in individual project level we have around 10 different sections where we are landing in only test development always. Why? Because this is the area where we are going to spend a lot of time during our testing activity. To make it user friendly, whenever we navigate to individual project level, we always land in the test development section. And in the same fashion, whenever I land in the all project level, I always land in the project section. Why? Because it makes us user friendly to explore the different types of project that we have created, and we can see the users and roles who is assigned to this particular license. So this is all about the difference between individual project level and all project level. So let us discuss the next topic in the next session. Thank you.